Hold on. Oke.
Hmm,
Yap, gimana kabarnya? Ups.
baik.
Eh, Sebastian sudah
Ya,
sibukkah di sekolah?
sibuk banget.
Sibuk banget.
Iya,
Apa itu tugas yang sampai menyibukkan Sebastian?
banyak lah
Banyak. Tugas pelajaran apa aja, Sebastian?
macam-macam. Kayak ada apa aja ya? Eh,
Kayak ada
kimia,
kimia, oke.
matematika.
Matematika, oke. Kemudian,
Apa lagi ya?
I don't know.
Biologi.
Biologi, oke.
Ya,
Udah
banyak.
udah ada biologinya.
Iya,
Sebastian SMP kan?
iya, SMP. Aku udah ada
Isi,
biologi, fisika, sama kimia. Udah lengkap.
aduh, udah
Minggu
lengkap
semua.
lagi katanya. Waduh, oke oke. Nah, ada yang mau Sebastian ceritakan mungkin hal menarik hari ini?
Nggak ada apa-apa sih.
Nggak ada?
Biasa aja sekolahnya. Tapi musingin aja. 3 jam pelajaran Mandarin.
Wah, hah? Oh itu disertai hafalan berarti ya? 3 jam? Hmm. Sebastian hafal kemudian.
Mm-mm.
Gimana? Coba perkenalan diri, Bas. Boleh?
你好，我叫 Sebastian。我
Oke.
我三十岁，也我喜欢看电视。
Oke. And the meaning?
Halo, nama saya Sebastian. Saya berumur
Alright.
15 dan saya suka
Mhm.
menonton TV.
Oh, how to say I like to play Roblox in Mandarin?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh,
我喜欢做apa gitu loh.
oh, oke oke.
Roblox. 我喜欢做 Roblox.
Oh, oke oke. Do you like to play Roblox, right,
Mm-mm.
Bas? Alright. Okay, that's great language, Sebastian. Thank you so
Mm.
much
Yes,
for
thank you.
showing me. Okay. Alright. So today you will learn about web formatting, Sebastian, and it's just like you will styling your web with we call it as a CSS or cascading style sheet. But before we go to there, let me know if you have question about our last meeting that is HTML part. You wanna tell me?
Uh, no. Uh,
No,
yeah,
at all? Seriously?
I don't know.
You you haven't reviewed my code
Hmm?
yet?
Sorry.
You have not reviewed my code yet?
I forgot to be.
Oh, okay. You for it's okay. It's
Um,
okay. We will continue your practice today. But I think I will do not practice just like the previous meeting. I mean like you will share your screen and I'll guide you. Do we have a deal with that?
Apa?
I mean like you will share your screen and I'll guide you what should you do for the coding section. Do
Uh,
you got it?
no.
I mean like I will not practice my code, but you
Yes.
will do that with my comment, of course. I mean, with my guidance.
Okay.
You got it? So later you will
Oh,
share your screen
okay.
and then I will ask you to do or write this code, write this code or this code like that.
Okay, okay.
Do we have a deal?
Okay, sure.
All right. Okay, let's get started. Let's review the concept first before we go to the code section. Okay, there we
Yeah.
go. Hold on. All right.
Okay.
presentation. Okay. Boom. There we go. Web page formatting. Could you see my slides?
Yes.
All right. So web page formatting basically means that you want to create a style for your web app, or it's not web app, still not web app, just a common web. Okay. Now, how it will look like? Well, this is what you will create later. So before we learn about CSS or something that you will learn today, you are going to learn. You will see something like there is no color, there is no style in your display text like this or something else. There is no styling. That's that's the example of web formatting. Then, when you learn about formatting, you can do something like this. You can add red or yellow color or create something like, could you see maybe the little circle all there? All of this is coming from CSS or web formatting lesson. Okay? Now, the question is, how could us add styling into our code? That's the main question, right, Sebastian? Okay,
Yes.
let me show you a few things to do something like that. First, we have to know about CSS. Now, what is CSS? Excuse me, why I do raise my hand? Hold on. That's weird. Our hand. All right. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Okay. And this is the most often used to format all the pages of a site in a single style. So it's just like a language, but this language is special for styling your web page. Something like that. Okay. So the HTML will responsible for, excuse me, HTML will responsible for your content of website, your website content, and CSS will responsible for the style of your web, like that. You got it, Sam?
Yes.
Excuse Sam, Sebastian. And then this is the benefit of using CSS. First is the page code is not mixed with the information about the formatting parameters. The second is it can adapt websites for mobile devices. That's great about CSS. And the third is more option for formatting elements in CSS. And the fourth is fast website loading. And the next question is how we can add or create a style sheet to our web page. That's the great or the main or the hard question. All right, let me show you 3 things to do that. First, to add CSS, you can use selector later. We have 3 ways to add CSS actually. The first way we call it as a inline way. The second way is we call it as a internal line. And then the third way or the last way, but not least way, is the external line. Okay? So we have inline CSS or inline way, and then internal line, and then external line. How many way? How many ways, Sebastian?
3.
What is that?
Internal way, external way, sama lupa.
Internal way, external way, and inline way.
Oh yeah, inline. I forgot.
Inline, yeah. Okay. Now, how would you do all of that? Let me show you directly into the code maybe first. You can open your VS Code. Let me open it for you. Mine. Okay. Now, yep. Hold on for a second. All right. Okay. Now, Sebastian, you need to log in and sign in, of course, but I will sign in as teacher, of course. Oh, I have to re-log in. Let me re-log in. Oops, what? Right. Boom. There we go. And Sebastian has a name Sebastian like this. All right.
Mister,
Yes.
after coding kita ngapain?
After coding, nothing.
Oh, berarti
Oh,
udah selesai codingnya.
what?
Berarti kalau udah selesai codingannya bisa selesai awal.
What do you mean?
I mean like if we already finish the code, we can finish early.
It should be an hour.
Oh, okay.
I mean, like,
Yeah, it's fine.
yeah, you will do the task and then something like that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now we are at lesson 24. Sebastian, hit at this lesson and number 1, introduction to CSS. But basically, this is just the theoretical concept of HTML and the other stuff of our previous lesson. So we can skip this part and then go to the next part. You can answer that question later. Now I will go to here and then I will, I wanna see you something nice and then I will say Sebastian dot html like this. Okay, now I will do something like this. Oops, excuse me. All right, now I will make it, my title is Sebastian page, Sebastian pages or page, and then the body I will make it with h1 and I will say Sebastian or welcome Sebastian. Sebastian, like this. All right. Now I will make it with let's use H2 to make everything nice. And then it should be, hello, my name is Sebastian. And now I am learning about CSS, HTML, and CSS. HTML and, oops, type a little. HTML and CSS. All right. Now, if you want to create something like a paragraph, or let's create something nice using HR here. Let's use double HR to make everything fine. And then let's create something like, I like to learn programming with Python. And also, I like to learn Roblox. In future, I wanna be a Roblox and Python developer. And let's say you will do something like this. And my favorite stuff is creating game for children. All right, there we go. Okay, Sebastian. Now, if you run this code, nothing happens. Okay, so it's just like hit right click and then you'll see something like this. Where are you guys? Oh, not in here. I want to make it in here. Okay. No, I do not want to make it in here. I just want to make it in here. All right, Sebastian. So do right click and then you need to open with live server and you'll see something nice like this. Welcome, Sebastian. Hello, my name is Sebastian, and now I am learning about HTML and CSS. Now, if you want to create something or styling your page, your web page, you can do it with three ways. What is the first way? We can call it as, let's say I want to make the background of my web page is, let's say, a custom color. You can use, first way is using inline way. Now, how to do that? You need to enter the property, or we can say kind of the keyword in each tag of your HTML. In this case, I want to make the body of my HTML is has a custom color. Then I need to say style is equal to, and then it automatically give you quotation mark, and then you need to say background. Oops, excuse me. Background color column, and then let's use something like red, but I do not want to use red. Let me pick up the other color. Let's use this color. Maybe this is so nice color. Let's pick it. And then if you reload the code, you'll see something like this. Oops. Boom. Wait, what? Nothing happens. Hold on. Wait, I need to refresh it? Seriously? All right. Oh, it doesn't work. I'm so sorry, Bas. So we need to reopen the web page. Okay, this is the first styling. Now, if you want to make, let's say you want to make the line should be red, okay? These two line, you need to go to the tag of that. This is, remember that this is the first way or inline way, and you need to say style is equal to, and then you need to say color is red, okay? And then this one also, style is equal to red. Oops, you need to say color first, color like this. All right, now if you rerun your code, wow, it doesn't do that automatically, so we need to do something like this. Oops, excuse me. Text color, it should be text color. Background color, I guess. There is no text color. And then you need to say, Sebastian, open with live server. Nothing happens, seriously. I think I made a mistake here. So it should be not background color. It should be just take colors like this. Seriously, nothing happens. Hold on. Style for the HR is, the color is red, but it doesn't work at all. What's happening? I am wondering. Maybe it doesn't work with color, but it will work with something else, like maybe boom. There's no boom. Color, no color, I guess. Border color. Let's use border color. Border color. I'm so sorry, I do not memorize all of that in CSS, so it's kind of, I have to experiment it. All right, this is the border color. So you can see that it's red right now. Okay, so when you want to make, let's say you wanted to change the kind of the font in your, on your web page, you need just to go to the tag and then say, okay, for H1 I will make it as something like not career, not what Carial or something like this. Let's say we will use something like the font is equal, or excuse me, colon, and then career like this. Okay, and you'll see something like this later. Boom. Oops, nothing happens. Font, color, text style. It should be right, but I don't know why it doesn't work. Font and hmm, it's weird. Font and font size, font type, or what is the style for font? Font. Oh, excuse me. It should be font family and it's career new. All right. I'm so sorry. Boom. So welcome, Sebastian. And I want to change this one also. Let's copy this style and then paste it in here. All right. Now, if you open with Live Server, you'll see something like this. Okay. That's the first way. Remember that, Sebastian. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the first
Yes.
way. Now, the second way is we can use internal line. Now, where should we put the internal line? I have 8 minutes left for explaining that. Well, for the internal line or for the internal way, you can add them in between the head. Okay? So before the head, the tag head is an, you can say style in here. So you need to create style tag. And then this is basically work if you want to tag or if you want to mention many tags in one time. Just like, let's say I will make the color of my font is, let's say, do not use black. Instead, let's use green. So I need to mention the tag. And then we call it as a selector. Okay? And then this is how you will do that. P because the tag is P in here, as you can see. So I need to say P and curly brackets. And you need to say, let's say we want to make the text color is what? Yeah, let's say the text color, or we can say color actually, is equal to, let's use green.
Mister,
Yes?
Mister, aku mau nanya, Mister.
Yep.
Ini aku perhatiin dulu atau ini sambil tak kerjain, Mister?
Boleh sambil kerjain kalau bisa, tapi kalau mau memperhatikan dulu boleh.
Udah, aku belum kerjain. Aku kira harus perhatiin dulu.
Oh iya ya, nggak apa-apa. Perhatikan dulu aja ya. Oke. Okay? The P. Nah, now I will take the P and then you need to say, okay, P. And then you need to say, mention it with 2 quotation mark. And then you need to say, because it's pay. And then you need to say the color for the P is, let's use green. Like this. And you'll see something like this. Why doesn't work? Text color. Wait, what? Font. Why doesn't work? I don't know. It should be because it should be font, or let's use color or text maybe. Text. It's not text line. We want it as a text color, but there's not. Yeah. Let's use just text in here and text. Yeah, just text. If you do text line, it will make it into center, left, or right. Let's use a center in here, center, and you'll see something like this, Sebastian. So if you do the text line is like this, and then you have the, excuse me. Wait, what? It doesn't work at all? All right. So now if you open with live server, nothing happens. Hmm. Why it doesn't work at all? Text rendering. Oh yeah. Should be like this. Center. What? Well, why it doesn't work? It's weird.
Hmm.
Because
What's
when we
wrong?
work in here, I don't know, we can use color and then say that, let's say the color is red or green like this, and it will work. I believe that, but why if I'm using a styling format, it doesn't work at all? That's weird. That's completely weird. Okay, but let's use the body for the example. Okay, you need to say body, and you need to say something like this, and then we need to make it background color. Background color is equal to, let's use big like this. What is big? I don't know. And then you'll see something like this. Nothing happens before we reopen that. Oh yeah, I forgot to remove this top. Okay, I just want to use that one. Reopen that. You'll see something nice like this. Can you see, Sebastian? So this is how you can create it with internal line. Now, the last thing is you can use external line. Now, let's styling the paragraph in this case. Now, to do that, you need to say, excuse me, you need to create Sebastian.css first, Sebastian.css, and then you need to mention the selector. We haven't talked about class, but it's completely fine. And then you need to say, what do you want? Let's say I wanna use text align is equal to center. Okay. And then the second one, maybe you will want to create something like after the text align, maybe you want to create something like uh font size is equal to uh 5 pixels. Well, should be working, but I don't know why it doesn't work at all. Now, after that, after you create Sebastian.css, you need to do something like this. Connect that inside or before the head is n, and then you need to say uh link, and you need to say relation is equal to style sheet like this, and then you need to say the href is equal to Sebastian.css. All right. Now, if everything's clear, you can reopen that, and then you'll see something nice like this. Why it doesn't work at all? Text align. I don't know what's happening here. I have the P. It should be like this, and then we need to say body or something like that, and
Very
then
complicated.
it's complicated. Body, and then oh no, body. Oh, background color. Let's say you wanna use in here blue. All right, we do not need that. Okay, and then the color, let's use do not use let's use a yellow color. Okay, and then for the last one, let's use text align is equal to center. All right, now if you rerun the code, Sebastian, you'll see something nice like this. Boom.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Now, do you have question?
Uh, no.
No? Okay, now it's your turn to share your screen. Oh, it's almost.
Okay. Yang ini.
Yep, 24.
Yang mana? 1, 2, 3.
Number 2.
Okay.
Just go to number 2. All right, this is quite manual, Sebastian.
Hmm?
And yeah, you can create from the HTML part. Let me send you the HTML part. Okay, you just need to complete the CSS part, Sebastian. Okay, there we go.
Oh.
From Zoom chat.
Cuman
Oh,
buat
it's already
CSS-nya.
done. Oh, no, it's already done. So you just need to do the HTML code.
Alright. Yang ini. Suruh bikin ini aku bikin merah biru red
Yes,
green blue-nya
just
di
like,
bawahnya
yes.
itu.
No, actually, you need
Huh?
to do something like you need to create a code and the output should be like the picture.
Yeah, like this.
Mhm. The question is, how would you do that?
Hmm.
Now, you need to go to the first the RGB color. It should be H1.
Each one.
Oh my God.
Gimana Pak?
I mean like this.
Oh iya, color 1.
No, it's not like that.
Apa? Kayak
I mean,
tulisannya kan
yep,
heading-nya.
should be H1. Not in here, Sebastian. It should be in here. H1. And then this one, it should be H1. Like that.
Oh,
And then now RGB, abbreviation of the English words, red, green, blue, red,
H2.
green, blue. Now this one, we can use paragraph,
Oh, paragraph.
the P tag. Come on.
Right here.
Yeah, right there. The P tag.
Apa?
The P tag.
P tag.
Mm-hmm. I mean, no. Yeah, that's all. And then don't forget to use closing brackets.
Yes. Udah ada closing bracket-nya.
Which one?
Ini.
Oh, excuse me, closing tag.
Yes, this one, right?
No, closing tag means that like this. So you have H1 and then the closing tag for that is /H1. Now, if you have tag P, it means that it should or it needs its closing tag. What is that? /P.
Slash.
Yeah, slash.
Oh, iya. Penutupnya sampai mana ya tadi? Basic. Oh iya di sini tuh.
The last, Sebastian.
Di sini kan.
After, no, Sebastian, should be in here. So,
Oh,
P-Tech. All right. Now, nothing. All right. Now, because based on the example, we need to use, let's use UL in here. And then we need to use bold first. So we need to say bold all of them. Like this. And then in each line, we need to use UL. And this stands for unordered list. We need unordered list in this case. And remember that unordered list basically needs something like LE. Don't forget it's closing brackets. And then here, LE.
wait, let me try it myself.
Don't forget the slash.
Yes.
All right. And then the blue is also same.
Done.
Okay. Now in each LE, you need to use inline way. So after LE, you need to say style, class. Class actually is, this is actually in external way to that. Yeah, class space on there. And then class, I mean inside the angle brackets.
Pakai huruf
Class,
besar nggak?
yep, is equal to, let's use red press because we want to, this is according the CSS file. Class, the C is lowercase, not
Oh,
uppercase.
kelas toh. Bukan kelas.
That's right. Class. No, I mean that one is right.
Oh.
And then quotation mark, and then red. I think the R should be lowercase.
Oh.
All right. Now the second one is green and the last one is blue. That's blue.
Oh, my bad.
All right. And then red should be replacing with, all right. And then the last, I think it should be with P-Tech. With a P-Tech.
Di mana? Here. Here.
The last paragraph. Here. And then the closing tag. And then lastly, you need to make a body after the doc type HTML.
Body.
Doc type HTML is the first one.
Di sini.
Hit enter on there later. After the, yeah, and then square, excuse me, angle brackets, body. And then number 14 is slash body.
Yeah, I understand.
All right. Now you can run your code.
All right. Yay.
Hooray. Okay, checklist.
Yay. Huh?
This checklist.
Wait, let me try to do this. What's different?
What's different? What do you mean?
Kan tadi ada ini.
Mm-hmm.
Apa yang beda? Oh. Wait.
No, that's right. That's right.
Bedanya apa sih? Kalau misalnya ada sama enggak?
Beda what? What
Bedanya?
dip?
Kalau ada B ini, B.
It stands for bold.
Oh.
So it will bold your
Okay.
text.
What if I delete this? Huh? UL itu untuk apa? Oh, yes.
UL is unordered list.
Okay. Tentang.
Yep. Map powder my nose. I have sent the answer from Zoom chat, Sebastian. It's almost same. I want to powder my nose.
What's wrong?
I mean, I want to go to Thailand.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You,
Excuse me, Sebastian.
yeah. Yeah. Mommy.
All right. Let's go to number 2.
Okay.
All right. I'm feeling better.
Wow. Wait. Oh my God.
Go on. How would you do that? So I think you just need to
Add the colors and this thing.
No, I mean you just need to work in HTML part. You do not need to go to the CSS part.
Oh my God.
Excuse me? No. This is you need to go to the CSS part, Sebastian.
CSS.
Yep.
Okay.
Come on. Now, this is actually using external way, Sebastian. It means that you need to, choose the selectors. All of the selectors.
Selectors.
Yeah, selectors like the tag. Okay. So it's almost same with attack, but not in many cases. Okay, Sebastian, how would you do that? Well, first, you need to do something like go up and then the A maybe, yeah? Hold on. Is that the A, by the way? I don't think so. That's the A. It should be the P, right? So the P is using font style should be normal. Yes, Bastian.
Mhm.
You can check
Normal.
the Zoom chat. I've sent something for you, but I need you to read first because it's quite confusing if you do not read people codes. I mean, like uh, it will hard if you do not understand the how do we need to add or do something like this and that.
Okay.
Okay,
Uploaded.
I mean like you can copy and paste it,
Oh,
my code. Mhm.
oh damn. Wait, what? How do I
Come on,
deselect the algorithmics? What the? Why is
I think you need
everything
to
blue?
you need to exit first.
Hmm?
There is no other way. You need to reopen the PS Code.
Uh,
All right. 24. Yep. Number 2. All right. Okay, come on.
what?
All right. There we go. Now you can run the code. You'll see the nice result. Boom, like that.
I think it's a bit different. Oh, never
Hmm.
mind. It's the
You
same.
can see the penimpaan or the how to say penimpaan. I forget. Overlay. Yeah, the
Hmm.
overlay. No, no, no. No, I mean like the next step. Yep. No. Yeah, that tab.
Oh, ini.
Yes. So if you do not find something weird, it means that your code is same with the expected result.
Hmm. Nggak
Do
ada
you
yang
have?
kepikiran sih.
Mhm. You can checklist right now. Yep.
Okay.
Go to number 3.
Hmm. Hmm. Bullet N itu apa? Bullet N itu bullet N. Apa sih? Gimana? Oh,
Come on. So to do this, you need to use something like this. Let me show you the code. It's pretty long, so let me send you. There we go. That's for the CSS part. And then for the HTML, you need to say something like this. Okay, I've sent you
HTML-nya kan
HTML and the CSS. I've sent you
di HTML-nya.
both. The first one for the HTML, CSS, and then the second for the CSS. All right.
Is it the same?
That's not right.
Sorry. No, yeah, I know.
Okay, now you can checklist the button.
What is this? Oh, um, oh my God.
Next number.
Oh,
Well, it's about Flask and
wow.
other stuff.
Ini di Python.
This is how you can create that.
Wow.
Okay, there we go.
Kita coding buat nulis code. Yang
And then this is the CSS part. Sebastian, I need you to read later, okay? Because this is so important for you.
okay.
You should be understand how and how. And you can ask me in the next week. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Because I have to send a report for your parents later. And I don't know what should I add if you do not understand about this topic.
Okay.
Okay, for the CSS part, you can add something. All right, checklist. All right. The last step is like that, but let me send you. It's almost same, but not really same. This is the first code for the HTML, Sebastian. And then this is the CSS code. All right.
HTML itu untuk tempat codingnya ya. Kalau CSS itu untuk sistemnya bukan sih?
And no,
No.
HTML and CSS is a language for code.
No.
So HTML responsible for create the content of your web page, but the CSS it will responsible for the styling of your web page. Got it?
Styling and the isiannya.
Okay.
So HTML is for this the words, and CSS is for the style.
Yes, just like you can create your text red, green, or blue, or create something like this. It has two parts like that, or two column text. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, it's enough for today. Now it's time for stopping your screen sharing.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you can stop your screen
Why is it
sharing.
different? Never mind.
Okay. So I think that's all, Sebastian, for today. So what did you learn? Could you tell me?
I learned about how to make a website in HTML and how to design it, like to make the colors gitu.
Exactly. Now, what is CSS stands for?
CSS.
Yeah, what is standing for? Cascading? Cascading? Style? Sheet. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think that's all, Sebastian. Thank you so much for being here. I like your way to uh, ask me something, but I really recommend you to read the material after this because if you do not understand well about HTML and CSS, it will make your way it's quite hard later.
Okay,
I mean, like,
Mr.
yeah, that's my recommendation. And for the reporting, you do not need to worry about that because I will give you uh great feedback on there. I mean, like, you do not need to worry about your parents should say something like this later after my reporting. No. Okay. You're a
Yes,
great
Mr.
student, one of my great students, and you need to improve that. And of course, that's for your kindness, your for your best in future. Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay. That's all from me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Mr. Thank you.